Hey guys, this is going to be a quick run through for everyone who is operating a miner rig. So for all you miners out there, if you want to start contributing for the folding at home and tackling coronavirus, this is how you can get involved. So this is going to be running on SMOS. So if you log into your SMOS account, so your simple mining account, and then if you come over to your group config over here, and then what you're going to need to do is if you click on add group, and then you'll see the very top one, the coronavirus, in the miner name column. So you click on that, and then you see that FAH client. So we'll click use onto there, and then you'll see it's already got the correct config in, so you don't need to do anything down here. All you need to do is give that a name. So COVID-19, coronavirus, whatever you want, and then if you add that as a group, that'll then be saved in there. So all you need to do now quickly is if you head to your rig list, and then you can select your rig, so individual rigs select at the end, or if you want to select them all, click that little tick box above. But what you need to do is once you've selected your rig or rigs, click on the action button, the group config, and then it'll bring down your drop down of whatever groups you've got set up. So if you choose for COVID-19 in this case, or your coronavirus one, click save onto there, and then that'll just start up into the software. So again, if you want to check out what the rigs are actually doing, if you head to the foldingathome.org, the URL's in the description, and then you can find out exactly how your rigs are getting on. So yeah, that's that guys, pretty quick and simple. But if you got any questions on that, if you give us a shout and we can answer any questions you've got.